AutoFix Messenger can't access that chat. So one of the first things you can do is to update your Messenger from the App Store or Google Store. So go ahead over to your Play Store and search for Messenger. And if there's any updates available, you make sure you press on that so you'll be in the latest version. You can also go ahead and restart your phone and make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable, and you can check if this person has blocked you. If not, you can check also if they have deactivated their account or left the group chat, because Meta lists these as common reasons you can't send or see messages. The next thing you can do is also restore encrypted chats. So go ahead into your Messenger and go inside the menu section in the bottom right corner and go inside settings. Inside settings, you're going to have to scroll down into privacy and safety. And from here, go ahead into security and end-to-end encrypted chats. So from here, you go ahead into message storage, and you have the option to reset your PIN or go inside more options and make sure auto sync is toggled on. So if this is, it should automatically do it and ask you for the PIN, and you don't have to do this anymore. One last thing you can do is to try another device or to do the website version of Messenger. And if the chat works there, the problem is likely with your app or device. And finally, you can also wait for the other person to log in again if the message says they can't access this chat yet. That usually means their encrypted chat keys or device access needs to refresh. But those are a few things you can put in mind if you can't access that chat in your Messenger. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.